Wayne here, and welcome to my vlog. This is kind of a celebration, this is kind of a thank you and an update on my vlog. Because today is actually my 9th year on YouTube. It's considered my birth date or anniversary to starting my website or my channel. And I did start back in November 14th of 2011, but I really didn't start putting anything up till 2013, which is when I actually got my first penny. And back then, when we started, we didn't have to worry about having 1,000 subscribers. That didn't happen till 2016, I believe. That shut me down for 3 months because I had 800 subscribers. And I got back up to monetizing in June of that year. I'm currently at 4,600 subscribers now. Thank you very much for following my channel. My channel is based on everything I do pretty much daily. I would say 90% is automotive repair, because that's kind of the field I came out of. You can see in my descriptions, I'm retired Navy, jet engines, and air crew, military police. So that's basically where I'm at. I want to thank you, everybody, for dropping in, following me all these. Some of you have been following me since the beginning, so I thank you very much. As you can see, I started my searching for channel, and that's for searching for things and people and vehicles that don't belong in the water, right? So you can drop on to searching for from my regular channel, because that's where I'll be putting some of my videos, and then of course that'll transfer over into the channel itself. Over the years, I didn't really, I didn't do SEO, which is the system that gets your algorithms for your videos, where people can just Google it and boom, you'll find the subject that you're looking for. So just last week, an individual reached out from me from, of all places, Bangladesh, and he wanted to do my SEO for me. So he's been doing that, and you're going to see a difference in my channel, my tags, and my fingernails there. So that's going to bring more people to my channel. So thank you very much for that. And today is November 16th, 2022, and Mother Nature has just laid a couple inches of that white stuff here in the Finger Lakes of New York. And as you imagine, it's currently 35 degrees out. That kind of slows me down on stuff I do in the winter. But I did build this garage, 2-stall garage, out of all things, pallet racking. And you can find that in my videos as well, from the beginning to the end. So I have a place to work on my vehicles. I have 4-post, and I also have a scissor lift to help me do that. So for you all that are just joining me, this is what I do, and hopefully some of the content that's in here. We have goats, we have 8 Shih Tzus, and we did have 9, but number 9 was kidnapped, or dog napped if you want to call it. And it's been a year, almost a little over a year now, and still hasn't returned yet. So I just want to update you on my videos, my content. I used to be in many multi-level marketing companies, and you can see those are my videos. They all failed. So I do day trading, not exactly the day trading that you say day trading. You're supposed to have like a $25,000 account, and then you're continuously trading. So mine is my adventures through my day trading, and you can find that on my videos as well. I am a drone pilot, and you'll find those aerial photography shots in my videos as well. And of course, when I find something new that I want to try out, I will put those up for you guys to take a look at and see what you think. And my other one, I do have my health and fitness vlog. I've just gone through I'm going through it. 2 years ago, I was diagnosed with prostate cancer. So the procedures and stuff that I went through for that, I had a radical prostate surgery to have it removed. I didn't go through radiation, but I do have a flare-up now of my PSA, so we're watching that again. The advantages of having your prostate removed is the fact that if it does come back, then there's no prostate in the way. It's out of the way, so radiation can go after the areas that the prostate was sitting in. So if you have the prostate in the way during radiation, I felt that when I was making the decision, if the prostate was in the way, they can't remove the prostate. So you're just going to keep getting radiation in the same area on top of the prostate and around the outside, where without the prostate there, the area is clear. So now the radiation is killing the cancer that was around the outside of the prostate when it was there. So that was my philosophy on that. Of course, I'll keep you up to date. My videos keep you up to date as to where I'm at with that. Anyway, again, thanks for watching. Please continue to watch. And for the new ones, please share. And what else? Guess we got to prepare for winter here. I own, if you're a Mustang fan, like a good percentage of you are that are watching, we have 2 Mustangs, got a 97 and a 96. 96 is they're both 6 cylinders. The 96 is automatic. The 97 is a 5-speed. So I keep those running. We have a Jeep Liberty and a Dodge Nitro, which are both the same vehicles, except one's a Dodge and one's a Jeep. I have 2 Escapes. Both at this time are both 2006s. One's a hybrid and the other one's is the standard. There's that one. We have a 2013 CF Moto that I keep running. And let's see what else. I have a 2008 Jeep Compass that I keep running. And currently the Nitro, I am changing out a motor in. The 96 Mustang, I changed the motor out in. We also have the 2003 Ford Explorer, and I put the motor in it, and unfortunately the guy didn't tell me it had a missing timing chain tensioner. So I'll be going back into that here in a few months. The Jeep Compass right now has got a leaking heater core, which definitely doesn't do any good in the winter time. So that's what I'm doing with that right now, getting that heater core swapped out. And there's the 97 Mustang. Both Mustangs come off the road. In fact, that one's probably now, that one's off the road, and well, I was gonna drive it. This stuff came down just the other night, and they threw salt on the road. So right there, that is the key to getting the Mustangs off the road. And that's why we have the Liberty. That's why we have the Compass. That's why we have the Escapes, is for the winter time. Stuff that I do around the house. I do most of everything around the house. I've done put the roofing up, and now maintaining this here. Do the plumbing and everything that needs to be done around the house. So I'm a kind of a jack of all trades, master of none. One of my other projects is going to be solar. So hopefully in the next couple of years I'll be off the grid, if I want to be, by using the solar systems. So again, thanks for watching. Don't forget to comment, subscribe, definitely share. Check out Searching For come summertime. Well, throughout the year anyway. I'll get out searching probably. We'll see. As long as the weather's above 40 degrees, I'll probably get out there and start searching. And continue to, hey, we got footprints running around here. Probably a deer. And thank everybody for watching again. Don't forget to comment, subscribe, definitely share. Check me on Dana Crosby's